Welcome to my YouTube channel Auto Vehicle Info. In today's video, we're diving deep into the 2025 Sukhoi SU-27, a next-generation evolution of the iconic fighter that has fascinated aviation enthusiasts for decades. The Su-27, originally a product of Soviet-era engineering, has undergone a futuristic transformation, and Sukhoi has managed to keep the essence alive while introducing groundbreaking upgrades for 2025. The first thing to note is the sleek, redefined aerodynamic frame. The 2025 version has significantly improved stealth capabilities, with radar-absorbing materials integrated into the airframe and a sharper edge profile that helps reduce radar cross-section. Compared to earlier generations, the aircraft now presents a much lower profile on radar, thanks to innovations inspired by fifth-generation stealth fighters. Powering the Su-27 2025 is a pair of upgraded AL-41F1S engines, which provide more thrust, better fuel efficiency, and improved durability. These engines are capable of vector thrust, which significantly boosts the fighter's maneuverability. Whether it's tight turns, high-speed intercepts, or low-speed agility, this aircraft performs with finesse. The thrust-to-weight ratio has been improved, giving the Su-27 a serious edge during dogfights or high-speed chases. The cockpit of the 2025 Su-27 is another area where modernization is evident. Gone are the analog dials and gauges. In their place is a fully digital glass cockpit featuring multifunctional touchscreens, assisted flight management systems, and voice command controls. This allows pilots to maintain situational awareness with ease and quickly adapt to changing combat scenarios. The heads-up display now integrates with the helmet-mounted sight system, enabling pilots to target enemies simply by looking at them. In terms of avionics, the 2025 Sukhoi Su-27 is equipped with an advanced AESA radar system. This radar can simultaneously track multiple targets across a wide range while also resisting electronic jamming. The aircraft's data link system allows it to share real-time battlefield data with other aircraft and ground units, creating a seamless network-centric warfare capability. Weapons-wise, the aircraft comes armed to the teeth. The Su-27 can now carry a more diverse array of weaponry, from long-range air-to-air missiles to precision-guided air-to-ground munitions. Notably, the new K-77M missiles, which use active radar homing and offer extended range, are now compatible with the Su-27's hardpoints. The internal weapons bay helps reduce radar signature during stealth missions, while underwing hardpoints remain available for larger payloads when stealth isn't a priority. A key highlight of the 2025 update is the integration of drone control capabilities. The Su-27 can now serve as a mothership for multiple loyal wingman drones, guiding them in surveillance, attack, or decoy roles. These AI-driven drones significantly expand the Su-27's operational envelope, making it a key component of future air combat strategies. The Su-27 has also been upgraded in terms of survivability. Advanced electronic countermeasures, including digital radio frequency memory jammers, protect the aircraft from incoming missiles. Infrared search and track systems give the pilot a second layer of detection capability, useful against stealthy targets or in electronically contested environments. When it comes to range, the 2025 model sees significant improvements. The fuel system has been redesigned for better capacity and efficiency, offering extended range on internal fuel alone. The aircraft is also compatible with aerial refueling, ensuring it can stay airborne for longer missions without sacrificing performance. Flight control systems have been improved with fly-by-wire technology, replacing older electrical signal-based systems. This results in faster response times and reduced weight. The aircraft reacts almost instantly to pilot inputs, which is crucial in high-G combat maneuvers. The airframe itself has been constructed using advanced composite materials, which are lighter, stronger, and more resistant to battle damage. Another innovation is the iCo-pilot system. This intelligent assistant helps manage multiple onboard systems, including threat detection, targeting, countermeasures, and mission planning. Pilots can now focus more on strategic thinking, while the eye handles routine or complex mechanical tasks. It's like having a digital wingman right in the cockpit. The 2025 Sukhoi SU-27 also gets a major boost in sensor fusion technology. Data from radar, infrared, laser, and electronic sensors are all combined into a single, comprehensive view on the pilot's screen. This ensures that no enemy sneaks in under the radar, and it helps the pilot make informed decisions faster than ever before. Although the Su-27 has traditionally been a twin-seat design in some variants, the 2025 version also comes in an optional single-seat stealth variant for missions requiring minimal radar footprint. The modular design allows easy conversion and quick maintenance, which is vital during combat deployments. Maintenance and logistics have also seen a digital revolution. The aircraft features predictive maintenance systems, which alert ground crews about potential failures before they happen. This reduces downtime and keeps the fleet mission ready. The use of 3D printed parts also simplifies repair logistics, especially in remote locations or during high-tempo operations. In training environments, the Su-27 now supports full mission simulation using augmented reality. Pilots can engage in realistic combat scenarios while still on the ground, saving fuel and minimizing wear and tear on the aircraft. This also shortens the learning curve for new pilots transitioning to the upgraded systems. From a strategic standpoint, the 2025 Sukhoi SU-27 is more than just a fighter jet. It's a multi-role platform capable of performing air superiority missions, deep strike roles, electronic warfare, reconnaissance, and even drone coordination. Its versatility ensures that it will continue to be a backbone of many air forces across the world for years to come. With rival aircraft like the F-35 and the J-20 pushing the envelope in modern aerial combat, Sukhoi has positioned the Su-27 as a powerful, adaptable, and forward-thinking platform. By retaining the core strengths of the original aircraft such as high speed, long range, and exceptional agility while incorporating cutting-edge upgrades, the 2025 Su-27 represents the perfect blend of heritage and innovation. That wraps up our detailed look at the 2025 Sukhoi Su-27. It's clear that this aircraft is not just an upgrade, but a complete reinvention of a legendary airframe. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast, a defense analyst, or just a fan of advanced tech, the new Su-27 is definitely worth watching. Thanks for watching this video on Auto Vehicle Info. If you found this breakdown helpful and informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment with your thoughts on the 2025 Su-27 or let me know which aircraft you'd like to see covered next. Until then, stay tuned for more amazing updates from the world of advanced vehicles and aviation.